Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the volume on your HP ENVY X360. To adjust your volume, click on either this or this button and it will adjust the volume. For some configurations it will not work, so if it doesn't, then click on FN, then the volume buttons, and it will change it. Although in my case I have the default configuration, so it actually changes as I click on them alone. Or there's another way to change the volume, so just click on this button right here to open the control center, and now find this bar right here. Now you can drag it to change the volume. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.